Hi friends, welcome to week 12 of school and distance learning. I hope you're doing okay. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving break, whether you just stayed home or if you saw any other family. I hope it was fun. And I hope you had a nice time to relax and kind of regroup so we can get back to focusing on school and all that good stuff. So, we started Westward Expansion Maps last week, okay, or 2 weeks ago now. And now we are going to look at explorers. So our whole week, it says it right here, we'll be working in our Westward Expansion notebooks, okay? And you'll see I have the folders that go along with each day down here. So in our Westward Expansion notebooks, I have to make my screen bigger. Oops, it doesn't want me to. Give me 1 second. All right, I figured it out. So as we go through our notebooks, we already did both maps, okay, 1 and 2. We're going to be adding to our map 2, okay? So this should be in your Google Drive. We're going to add to that this week. We don't need slide 3 because I had to change it all since we went distance learning. But you'll notice in Schoology on Monday, we're doing Daniel Boone. So in your notebook, you're going to do the pages for Daniel Boone. There's a video clip you're going to watch first. Then you're going to do a reading, and I have that linked here. And then you're going to answer the questions in these boxes, so the pink boxes, okay, based on the reading. So all the questions, it says use the reading above to answer the following questions. And then there is a second page for Daniel Boone. This is just a continuation of the reading and some of the notes that you're going to write down, okay. Then the last step for today is going to be, or Monday, is going to be to add these 4 things to your map, okay. So you have this in your Google Drive. Remember, it is, whoops, this second one here, okay? Whoops, sorry. The one that you added the Native American tribes to and the Great Lakes, okay? Now you're going to add these 4 things. So how are you going to know where they are? You're going to use this link to help you. This is your resource maps, okay? So we're looking for Chesapeake Bay, Cumberland Gap, Wilderness Road, Great Valley Road. If you go to these, slide 5, you'll see here's the Cumberland Gap, here's Chesapeake Bay, okay, and then here's the Great Valley Road, so, and here's the Wilderness Road. So there's everything that you need actually right on week 5, okay, and this kind of is a guide for you. It shows you the rivers that are also on your map. It shows you the East Coast, so you can kind of gauge that when you're labeling. Then as we go through our week, you'll see we're just doing a different explorer every day, except for Wednesday, we're looking specifically at the Louisiana Purchase, okay? So the resources are in Schoology also, but you really only need your digital notebook, okay? I have the Louisiana Purchase video for Wednesday linked in here, but you're really only going to need your digital notebook, and I just have a couple extra resources in Schoology, so you might not even need Schoology this week for social studies, okay? Then as we go, on Tuesday, we're doing Lewis and Clark, so same thing. You'll watch the video clip. You will use this site to do your notes, 2 pages of notes, and then some things to add to that map, okay? So that's kind of how the progression of the week's going to go. On Wednesday, we're doing slide 8, which is the Louisiana Purchase, and then I have the video linked here, and then you're just reflecting. So that's just a video clip and a reflection for Wednesday. On Thursday, we're looking at Zebulon Pike, and then Friday, we're looking at Jedediah Smith. So if you just go through your notebook, Zebulon Pike, there are 2, actually there's 3 slides for Zebulon Pike, and then Jedediah Smith, there are 2 slides, okay? And I am also going to give you a day at the end, so next week, to kind of catch up. So if you feel like you don't necessarily get every single thing done each day, I'm going to give you 1 day to kind of play catch up and to work on this if you missed a page or something like that. Okay, so we are working in our digital notebooks all week long. I have extra resources here for each explorer, but like I said, you really will just need your digital notebook this week, and that's pretty much it. Okay, have a great week. See you at our Google Meets.